Hello dear students, welcome to your own class Chemistry with Mind. Namaskar. Today we will study azeotropic mixture. What is azeotropic mixture? Azeotropic mixture is a mixture of two different liquid which boils at one particular temperature. Since it boils at one particular temperature, that's why it is calling as constant boiling mixture, and it distill over in a same composition, and it is made up of non-ideal solution. It is a mixture of two liquids which boils at one particular temperature. Since this mixture boils at one particular temperature, it means it will behave like one liquid. Even though it is a mixture of two liquids, since it is boiling at one particular temperature, so it will behave as one liquid, and it distill over in the same composition. And since it is boiling at one particular temperature, it is also called as constant boiling mixture. Distill over in same composition. Correct? And it is also called as constant boiling mixture. Why? Because it boils at one particular temperature. Correct or not? This mixture means azeotropic mixture is made up of non-volatile solute. Non-volatile solution. Now, non-volatile solution also is of two types. First one is non-volatile solution showing positive deviation, and non-volatile solution showing negative deviation. Since non-volatile solution is of two types, so azeotropic mixture also will be of two types. First one is azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point, and number two, azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Boiling point means boiling temperature. Correct? So one by one we will discuss. First we will discuss this one, azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling temperature. So what is meaning of azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling temperature? minimum boiling temperature means azeotropic mixture is having boiling temperature lesser than either of two component. Two component meaning, see, it is made up of two liquid. So one liquid is considered as one component and second liquid is considered as second component. So its boiling temperature is lesser than either of two component. That's why it is called as azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point. Which boiling temperature is lesser than either of the component. Now, when the boiling point of the azeotropic mixture is lesser than either of the component, it means the intermolecular interaction between two components are weaker than the pure components. And when the intermolecular interactions are weaker, it means more vapor will be formed. And when more vapor will form, it means vapor pressure will be more. It means this type of azeotropic mixture is made up of non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. Thus, this type of azeotropic mixture is made up of non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. Correct. Now come to second type. Second type is azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling temperature or boiling point. What is meaning of this? The meaning of this is azeotropic mixture is having boiling temperature which is higher than any of the two component. Correct? When the boiling temperature is higher, it means the intermolecular interaction between two components are stronger, because when the intermolecular interaction will be stronger, it means we have to provide more energy to break the bond, and when we are providing more energy, it means boiling temperature is higher. Correct? So, which is having boiling temperature higher than that of any component. Correct? Now, since intermolecular interactions are higher between two components, then there will be less formation of vapor, and when there will be less formation of vapor, it means vapor pressure also will be less. It means that type of azeotropic mixture will be formed by non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Thus, this type of azeotropic mixture made up of non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. This you can understand by this way also, from this way also, from here. Since non-ideal solution is showing negative deviation, and negative deviation means the vapor pressure of the solution is lesser than any of the component or expected from the Raoult's law. Since vapor pressure is lesser, it means less vapor will form. When less vapor will form? When intermolecular interaction between the two components will be stronger, and when intermolecular interaction will be more stronger, it means boiling temperature will be automatically high. So azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. So this is the azeotropic mixture and their types. If you are having any doubt, please feel free to ask in the message box. I will try to give you reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please subscribe this so that you can get the notification of my next video automatically. Thank you very much.